It's Anonymous, and today we're going to talk about solving equations with variables on both sides of the equation. So, as we've talked about, an equation is simply a quality with two expressions on either side. So, say we have 7k equals 4k plus 15. And we want to solve for k, right? So therefore, we must isolate k by subtracting 4k from both sides. Therefore, we now have 3k is equal to 15. Okay, so now I want to divide both sides by 3 to get k isolated. Now we have k equals 5. So as you see, the steps are the same as if we only have a variable on one side. We simply want to isolate the variable, do whatever it takes to do that, solve for k. In this case, k equals 5. Alright, let's do another. So, say we have, let's break that up, 2 times y plus 6 is equal to 3y. Okay, in this case, we're going to have to use the distributive property. Whenever you see a constant or a variable on the outside of parentheses, you must distribute that into the parentheses using the distributive property. So 2y plus 6 becomes 2 times y plus 2 times 6. 2 times y plus 2 times 6. This is equal to 3y. So we have 2y plus 12 equals 3y. Okay, so we want to isolate y, right? Therefore, the next plan of action is to subtract both sides by 2y. So 12 is equal to y. You see, it's critical to subtract both sides by 2y, because when you subtract both sides by 2y, you're essentially unchanging the equation, because you've changed both sides in the same way. This really gets into the core of what an equation is. It's an equality. If we do the same thing to both sides, we haven't changed that equality, yet we've managed to solve for the variable we're looking for, which in this case is y. Alright.